In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a public profile can be very useful if you don't want to add a bunch of people, but you want to post content on Snapchat exactly like you would on Instagram or TikTok. This is what you got to do. So firstly, open up the application, which by the way, this works exactly the same, whether you're an iPhone, Android, or Samsung. Then once you're here, all you got to do is on the top left, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Now you're going to see all your different account settings, your friends, things like that. But at the very top where it says my account under your name, you're going to see public profile on the right of it. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, if you don't ever have a public profile, you're going to ask to be like, to name your public profile, anything like that. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to ask you for a profile picture. So you can go to your camera roll, select anything you want. You can add a bio up to 150 characters. You can add a location if you want to as well. If you want to show your follower account, you can, but you don't have to. And you can also edit the background image to anything you want. Now over here, you can add your stories. You can have a spotlight snap, which is kind of different. And then there's also insights. So if you post enough, you're going to see insights on your audience, what they enjoy watching, anything like that, and how many views you're getting. So all of that stuff is going to be right there. So it's as simple as that. You can go from my account to public profile whenever you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.